Are you looking to build a successful dropshipping business? Then you need to check out Spocket right now. I've got an exclusive offer for you that will give you a big discount on Spocket's plans. It's easy to grab this deal. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment below, and you'll be taken straight to the Spocket website where your discount will be applied automatically. Spocket is a powerful dropshipping platform that helps you find high-quality products from trusted suppliers. It works seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned sellers. Whether you're starting your first online store or looking to expand your product range, Spocket gives you access to a vast selection of premium products, fast shipping times, and reliable suppliers from all over the world. From trendy fashion to tech gadgets, home goods, and more, Spocket makes it easy to find products your customers will love. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or pinned comment below, claim your discount, and start building your dropshipping business today with Spocket. Don't miss out. Take action now and let Spocket help you grow your online store.